What's up, you guys? My name's Cody. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open up your Voyager digital crypto account and get a free $25 worth of Bitcoin after depositing and then trading your first $100 on the platform. Now, you are going to need a referral code for this, so I'm going to go ahead and put my referral code down below in the description, and you will also find it as the pinned comment on this video. So make sure to click that link before signing up for the account, or else you will not be able to get that free $25 after depositing your first 100 on the platform and trading it. So we're going to jump right into this. We're going to jump into my phone here and do this process together. So as we jump into my phone here, you're going to see that I just clicked on the link that's in the description below, and this is where it's going to take you. It's going to take you to the App Store to download the app first. Okay, so you're going to click Get here on the App Store. It's going to download it. It's going to ask for you to verify your information, of course, just like you download any other app. Once that's complete, we're now going to open the Voyager app, and we're going to wait for this to load. And once you get in here, it's going to show you exactly what this app looks like. Now, I think their app is actually really user-friendly. I think it's very easy to see what cryptos are out there and which ones are popular. So you can see we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Tether, Cardano, Dogecoin, Uniswap, USDC. We've got all of those here at the top, and you can see what's going on with the pricing. Now, if we click on this up here at the top, you've got the 1 hour pricing. It also shows you the change as well as market cap, 24-hour volume, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 52 and 52-week high and low, and the APR interest that they pay on that particular crypto if you hold enough of it. So it shows you the APR interest and then also the required balance that you have to hold in order to earn that interest on the crypto there. So you've got the 1 hour chart, the 1 day chart, the 1 week chart, and the 1 month chart and a 1 year chart. So the cool thing is you can just swipe left or swipe right and it will let you trade it, and you can also click on it and it will let you do a one-time purchase, or you can set up a recurring buy. So this platform is actually really friendly. We're going to go ahead and click on this bottom left button here, and it's going to say you're almost ready to trade. First, complete your account application. It only takes a few minutes, and we're going to go ahead and open an account now. So it's going to ask for your general information like your email and your password, and then there's a spot here for your reward code, which you're going to want to use what's in the description or the pinned comment down below to make sure you get that free $25 worth of Bitcoin. So we've got our email in there, we've got a password. Now we're going to put in the reward code, and we're going to put in the code that's down in the description, 8055 capital E7. We're going to go ahead and put that reward code in there, and we're going to go ahead and click continue. Now this is going to ask for some information here. We're going to ask for the legal name, and we're going to go through this process here together. So just follow the steps here for doing this part of it. Once you've got your information put in there, it might ask you to verify your email. So you can go ahead and do that now, or it may give you the option to do it later. You want to make sure to do that so that they have your information in their system there, because they do use two-factor authorization to keep your account secure. So you want to make sure you go through all of these steps, because if you're putting money on this platform, you want to make sure that it's secure. So once you've completed that, it's going to say your account is now approved. Congratulations. You're one step away from trading. Next, deposit cash or transfer crypto to your account. Now, I've already made 2 other videos about how to transfer crypto to Voyager. So if you already have another platform set up where you want to transfer crypto from, you can go ahead and do that. Those links to those videos will be in the description below for you to watch as well. Or if you actually need to deposit cash from your bank account, we can go ahead and do that now. So let me show you how to do that. We're going to click on deposit cash, and it's going to ask you to add a bank account on there. Now, obviously, I'm going to bypass this information here on the screen because I don't want you seeing my bank account information. So what Voyager does is they use the Plaid system, which will automatically connect your bank account to the Voyager platform in a secure manner. So let's go ahead and do that here together now. I actually really like Plaid. I think it's a pretty easy to use service, and it allows you to easily log into your bank and then connect your account directly. Even if you have multiple accounts set up, it's very easy to use. So for me, I use Chase, and I really like the process that they have here. So once you've set up your bank account and you've linked it to your account, you should receive an email verification for that. Now we're going to come back here to your portfolio on the Voyager app, and we're going to go ahead and click on deposit cash again. And now it's going to show how you can deposit funds directly from your bank account. So we're going to go ahead and do the $100 that it requires. You can do up to $5,000 maximum for that first initial deposit. They are thinking about increasing this in the future. So if you got a large amount of money you want to move over to the platform, you will have to do it in increments, unfortunately. But for right now, $5,000 should be good for most people out there. So we're going to go ahead and click on $100 and we're going to confirm it. You just slide across and now it is confirmed. So it's going to be reflected there shortly. Now the cool thing about this is you can track your transfers and your orders here on the platform. So you can see that that deposit of $100 is now processing. We're going to go ahead and click back here and you can see that I have a $100 balance of cash in US dollars. So I'm going to come back here to the market overview, and you've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Tether, Cardano, all these different ones that I mentioned here. I'm going to go ahead and get my favorite one, which is VGX, which is actually the Voyager token, which is actually the, let's say, native token to the Voyager platform. And I think this is going to have a massive impact on how Voyager does as a company going forward. So this is actually one of my favorites. We're going to come in here to the VGX token, and you can see the price is 3.698. You've got all of your different indicators here for 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. And you can see that this VGX token has done very well over just the past little bit here. So this one actually pays a 7% interest rate on the token if you hold 500 VGX tokens. So the interest rate that you can actually earn from holding these tokens is massive. It can earn you a lot of money, especially if you have a good chunk of money deposited on the platform. Not only are you going to get the appreciation of the token if it goes up, but you also get that interest in the meantime. So it's kind of like receiving a massive dividend. Plus you also have a potential cryptocurrency that could go up in value quite a bit. Now, obviously these tokens could go to zero at some point, but that's not the goal here. You just kind of have to weigh that into your risk factors and of course invest at your own risk. Coming back here to the platform, we're going to go ahead and click history. If you click on history, you can see your orders that have been completed right there, and you can also see your transfers to the platform. This includes your bank transfers as well as any potential referral fees that you may earn from referring friends over here to the platform as well. So we're going to go ahead and buy some cryptocurrency at this point. We want to get invested in the market, so I'm going to go and buy some VGX. Now when you get here, you can do a market order or you can do a limit order. So what you can do, I like doing limit orders because this way you can kind of lock in the exact pricing that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and you can edit any of these three columns here, these three sections, I guess you'd say. Estimated cost, I want to go ahead and spend let's say let's do $30. And it's automatically going to show me how much I buy at that current price. So you can see that in the top right corner, the one VGX is 3.794 US dollars. It's kind of fluctuating there a little bit. So we're going to come back here to the limit price and we're going to go ahead and do 3.790, right? We kind of want to milk this a little bit. You can see that it just dropped there. So this should fill right away. Okay, so when you first initially deposit money onto the account, unfortunately, it's not going to let you purchase using that cash balance right away. It's going to have to wait until that transaction clears. But after you have a history of successful deposits onto the platform, it will actually let you use those funds right away. So you can actually deposit the money, and while that money's still in transfer, Voyager will basically give you those funds to go out there and buy crypto. So this is a great way to take advantage of a potential dip in the price of the crypto that you're looking at. So that's exactly how you set up your Voyager digital account. Once this money clears, you'll give it a little bit of time and then you will receive the Voyager digital bonus. And at that point, you're going to get your free $25 worth of Bitcoin after you trade and deposit that first $100. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, check out some of the other videos on my channel. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.